Hi everyone, Tofata here from Le Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about how to express negative emotions, regrets, how to apologize, the things that some people try and run away from. So welcome to that video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, do the thing, and get our coloring books that are in Setswana available on Amazon. I'll try and link them below. Let's get to it. So, how to say sorry. I know sorry can be a very expensive word that is very tricky to come up people's mouth. But to say sorry in Setswana, I say maswabi, maswabi, ka maswabi, or ke maswabi. Maswabi is sorry. But sorry can be said in many different ways depending on the context. So I'll give you some sentences and then we'll work through how we say sorry in those sentences. So just saying, I'm sorry, ke maswabi, I'm sorry, I am sorry, ke maswabi. And you might then say, I'm sorry for my error in judgment. You can say ke maswabi for my error in judgment, or ki ikwatlhaela mogopolo wa me. Ki ikwatlhaela mogopolo wa me, which is kind of like I regret my thinking or my decisions or my judgment. That's kind of what you're trying to say. Ki a ikwatla, which is I am regretful. Ki ikwatlhaela mogopolo wa me. I am sorry for my thinking. Or my error in judgment. And then you might tell someone, I felt sorry for the homeless people. For example, ke ne ke tlhomoga pelo ke bona ba humanegi. Go tlhomoga pelo is like the sadness, the sorriness. Tlhomoga pelo is like something happened to your heart, but not heartbreak, just sadness. Ke ne ke tlhomoga pelo ke bona bahumanegi. Bahumanegi are poor people. So literally you're saying, I felt sorry when I saw the poor people. Yeah, so we're using kind of similar synonyms to say sorry. Another way might be, I felt sorry for the young boy who lost his dad. I felt sorry for let's say you're going to a funeral. I felt sorry for the young boy who lost his dad. Ke ne ka utlwela mosimanyana botlhoko ka a swetswe ke rraagwe. Ke ne ka utlwela mosimanyana botlhoko ka a swetswe ke rraagwe. That translates to literally, ke ne ka utlwela, I felt pain. Botlhoko is pain. I felt pain. Mosimanyana is a little boy. Ka a swetswe, that means rraagwe is the dad. Swelwa is the fact that he's dead. So I felt pain to the little boy for having lost his dad. Oh, I felt sorry for the young boy who lost his dad. So that is another way of saying sorry. And then after all that, you might say, I'm asking for your forgiveness because you did something really bad. Ke maswabi. Ke maswabi means I'm sorry. Ke kopa o intshwarele. Ke kopa o intshwarele means I'm asking for your forgiveness. I'm asking for your forgiveness. Ke kopa o intshwarele. So tshwarelo might be the word like sorry. You might use that as a way of saying excuse me. Let's say you're walking down with your trolley or something and you're like, excuse me. You can say tshwarelo. Someone can say sorry and move out of the way. But ke kopa o intshwarele means I'm asking you to forgive me. Okay? So I'm hoping, because now you know the lingo, they are not too tricky coming out of your mouth. Learn to say sorry. It doesn't cost you anything. Till next time, Bye.